So far, I really enjoy the summit. I like the fact that we're merging several different factors within manufacturing that exist and challenges that people have on a daily basis. But I also like the fact that we're merging different industries. Considering I'm from defense industry, but I also have experience in automotive and food packaging as well as healthcare. It's been extremely beneficial to see the mergers of the different industries come together with some of the same common problems.
Fantastic. I mean, there's high-level professionals here, there's senior leaders, there's directors, senior directors, vice presidents. All the conversations have been very collegial, and all the topics have been relevant to the work that we're doing in our company.
The fact that, the Marcus Evans, Manufacturing Leaders Summit is able to bring together that many different industries with key speakers. We're talking, you've got some of the giants of these industries here. I think it's a value, and so I think it's a definite must for people that are thinking about attending this type of event. If you want to learn, you should be here.